Hi everyone, welcome. Happy Friday. How are you all doing? So excited today. We're doing a origami fold gift card holder. And there's no adhesive required whatsoever. So isn't that exciting? So hi there, I'm Sharon Davies. I'm an independent stepping up demonstrator here in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. Welcome to my Facebook page. Greatly appreciated. So happy that you're here. We have, like I said, we have a really cute project for you. If you like to craft along, you're more than welcome to. Just go grab a 9x9 sheet of designer series paper, and while you do that, I will just talk about a few things before we get started. Last chance list and discontinue list is up and running, and there's some stuff on there that's really good price, 40% off. I went through the catalog yesterday, and so sad, so sad. Don't forget the product of the month. So when you're in last chance and discontinue this, and your order is over $100, you can receive the product of the month, which is a package of 12x12 designer series paper, for only $5. Yeah, I ordered mine, so it's coming. It's coming. I just got notification just now that the orders has been shipped. So, okay. So without further ado, let's just flip you around. So I think I gave you enough time to go grab that designer series paper. Like I said, this is a super easy project to do. I do have my cutter here for a reason, though. It's for me. And that's so I can, when I go to fold I can push it up. Because we need, I'll use this side too. Okay. So what you need to do, first things first, is decide which way the pattern is going. This is going to be my inside. So I'm just going to bring this over. Fold your paper in half. And you're going to need your bone folder because you need nice crisp lines. I'm going to do it this way. Nice crisp lines like that. Okay? Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up this edge up to, okay, how am I going to do this? So I'm going to bring this edge up to the score line like that. And you're going to burnish that. I'm going to do both sides and then I'll burnish them together. And then I can remove my trimmer out of the way. Make sure it's nice, flush up against that score line. Perfect. Okay, out of the way now. And I'm going to just bring my fold folder in, and I'm just going to just really burnish the edges, and you can feel it. It's really, really crisp. So there we have it. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to take each corner and we're going to fold it up against the score line. Now you don't want to go over or you will have issues later on with it not lining up. And then I like to just pinch it right on the score line and fold it right in, right up against the score line, just like that. And we're going to do the same on this side. So how is your plans coming for the weekend? I don't know about here because apparently it's really cold outside. And this chick doesn't like to go outside when it's really cold. I just hate bundling up. So that's what it should look like, okay? So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold everything in. And this is where you're going to find out if your fold lines are straight lines or not. As you can see, it's buckling right there. So make sure you just push it down. We're going to do the same thing on this side. This side's a lot better. Okay. So now we're just going to flip it over. And we're going to bring this up. So that the centerpiece right there is right. I have it about at, I want to say probably less than 1/4 of an inch Yeah, about 1/4 of an inch from the bottom. Okay. Now I'm going to bring this piece over, and what I'm going to do is I am going to just tuck it in to this piece right here. Just like that. And then you should have this about the same distance on this side too. And then you just want to go around and then just burnish the fold lines. And you have a little flap in there, but there's no way around that. Okay, I'm just going to now no, you can't even. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take it, and there's a score line or a seam right there. Oops, I'm just going to flip this over just like that. And now you have your gift card. Now I'd have, here's my gift card right here. I was looking for the puppy everywhere. And this gift card slides in just like that, folds over like that. So what I did on this one here is I just took some ribbon. I'm just going to take my, I don't think I'm doing another gift card, so I can leave it in there. I'm going to take my ribbon. I'm going to wrap it around. And I want to just tie a nice little bow. And now I'm just going to fluff it up a bit. This bow is also, this ribbon is also retiring, so if you love red ribbon, I would definitely try and get your hands on some. Okay, now what am I doing here? There we go. It's looped them around each other, so let's just take that off. I just like to put my fingers through and just pull it, just like that. But you know what? It needs a tag, right? So I am going to go in. This bundle is retiring too, so I just love these dies. And I think I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna take this die out right here, and I have a scrap piece of basic white that I'm going to just cut out this piece. Put that back. So there's my piece right there. So now I'm going to go in and take the To and From Festive Friends. This is not retiring, so that's one good thing. And I am going to stamp it in real red. This is going to stuff in like this. I'm probably going to trim that off, so I'm going to put it somewhere in there. So I'm going to open up my ink. So people had texted me saying they have issues with opening up the ink. What I do, see where the 2 little dots are? Is I push down right there, and then it pops open. And then you just take it over and bring it across. If you're having problems, bring it across. Take a candle and just rub it along here, just to give it a little bit of give, and it will open and close for you. And I'm just going to just stamp this right there like that. I'm just going to grab my trimmer. I got red ink all over my hands. Oh, man. I can't wear on my pants because my pants are late. I have jeans on today. I don't have my black leggings on. So I'm just going to trim this off. Nobody's going to see this because we're just going to tuck it right under. Just like that. And I'm just going to use my liquid glue to hold it in place. Now, once you master this, you can just do a lot of gift card holders. Okay, so the traditional, these shiny things, they're so pretty. I'm thinking they're out of stock. and maybe they're not out of stock yet, but they are on the last chance list and maybe low inventory. So I know I tell people to put 2 or 3 elements on, so I'm going to just add, all I have is, oh, there's a gold one right there. These are so pretty, and they're flat. That's what I love about them, and so that when you put them through the post, they're not going to cost you any extra. So there we have it. Cute, easy, simple gift card holder. Wrap it up with a bow, and you can give it to anybody, or put a note in it, put cash in it, whatever, gift card. You can throw these in your purse, hand them out to whoever along the way. So anyway, so that's it for today. So I want to thank you so much for joining me, and that is day 10 of my 12 days of Christmas. And next week it's not going to be Christmas stuff. It's going to be stuff that help you move into the new year. Let's put it that way. Okay, so there we go. So I want to thank you all so much for joining me today. Greatly appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the projects today. If you did, just give us a little thumbs up there, so my video will be get into other people's rhythm, or what do they call that? Yeah, well, I can't even think of it right now. So there we have it. So thanks again for joining me today. All the instructions and everything will be posted over on my blog later on, probably this weekend. I got lots happening today. So thanks for joining me. Greatly appreciate it. I hope you all have a wonderful, oh, this isn't straight. Have a wonderful weekend and stay warm wherever you are. And we'll see you on Monday. Bye.